Hi guys, this is just a quick International Harvester update. As you can see, we've got the cylinder head off. It's down here. Yeah, gave that a clean up. There was some carbon on it that was a couple of millimetres thick in some places, especially around the exhaust valve. And got the piston out as well. It's here. So yeah, that was pretty easy to take out. And the decals have arrived from America, finally. Took a while. Got some new decals, some shims for the big end bearings, not some new bearings even for the big end. New cylinder head gasket, obviously that would go on the front. Just show you that. Gonna go on to there or on there, like that. Sorry. And got some new piston rings as well. Going to install them on the piston and keep the old ones as spares. And I've got a new crankcase gasket as well for going on here. So yeah, that's pretty much all I can tell you at the moment. Thanks for watching, comment, rate and subscribe.